Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enter the Wi-Fi pairing mode on Philips HomeRun 2000. To enter the Wi-Fi pairing mode, make sure that the robot is on, so I'm gonna place it on the charging base because I think it's discharged.
Starting to charge.
Okay, now it has started charging, and to enter this mode, you need to press and hold on both buttons for 3 seconds.
Activated Wi-Fi setup mode.
When you hear the activated Wi-Fi setup mode, now you can release the buttons and connect it to Wi-Fi with your app. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.